I-gestational diabetes umkhuhlane we-diabetes okubamba ngesikhathi uzithwele. Disclaimer, angiso-midwife, angisodokotela. Ngunikeza i-information eza to equip you ukwenza ukuthi nxa usenza ama-visits akho usiyabona udokotela umidwife wakho ubuze the right questions. Even iBhayibheli lithi my people shall perish because of lack of knowledge. I hope I said it right. So kuhle ukuba le information ayisiyo information ukuthi uziphuthe ngenze so, but la nxa udokotela wakhe ekhuluma umidwife wakho you are able to say what about so kwenzakalani kuyinokwenza ukuthi ugcine ususiba lo mkhuhlane lwana. So one, kungenzakala ukuthi yinto vele khona efamilini, izihlobo zakho ziba lawo and things like that, la ugcina usube lawo. Two, kube yikuthi ubuvele ulomzimba omkhulu kakhulu before you got pregnant, wangena ku pregnancy ulomzimba omkhulu. Three, kube yikuthi indlela odla ngayo during pregnancy ibe very haphazard. Sometimes we entertain ama hormones so much ukuthi sigcine silapho, but the main thing eyenza sigcine sisiba umuntu esiba le gestational diabetes, the main thing eyenza kube difficult to even avoid it ngama hormones aproducer yi-organ ebizwa kuthiwa yi-placenta. So nxa uzithwele, we all know ukuthi kuba ku-uterus phakathi kuba le organ eba khona temporarily, it's just a temporal organ connecta umama lonana through the umbilical cord. Yiyo eyenza ama-nutrients omntwana ephasa i-oxygen yomntwana and things like that. Meaning wena ngesikhathi uzithwele nxa usidla, number one, ungabe ngumuntu lwana odla ukuthi angizithwele phela mina ngidlela lonana. That is not true. For a long time kukhona lokhu italk ekhulunywayo ukuthi uzithwele mfakeleni okunengi. It is not true. Okufunakala ngama nutrients. Just eat your nutrient dense food. Baby ufuna ama nutrients wonke, ama vitamins, ama protein, ama healthy fats. Placenta layer produce ama hormones asebenzayo during that pregnancy, or human placenta lactogen, or estrogen, or progesterone, or cortisol. All these hormones sometimes affect i-glucose emzimbeni wakho, kugcine kusenza ukuthi ube le too much glucose ususiba insulin resistant. At the end of the day, still insulin resistance, but because the main cause was these hormones are produced yi-placenta, and most of the times you can't help it. Usungathola ukuthi uyazama ukudla kuhlombo vele ubungasosidudla kodwa uzithola usule problem yona le ngoba i-placenta iproduce ama hormones la. Ngifuna uku-understand very well ukuthi the placenta will produce certain hormones that can push your body to insulin resistant, and umzimba wakho uzazama ukucompensate either ngokuproduce a lot of insulin, ugcina usiba le hyperinsulinemia, begcine bekunika amebhobo, metformin or whatever amaphilisi ukukuncedisa ukuthi ucontrol ichukela leli, because kungaba le too much insulin trying to push that glucose into the cells. The cells are just insulin resistant. They are not listening to this insulin. Abanye, they completely fail to produce enough insulin. Ugcina usule too much insulin glucose emzimbeni eshodayo i-insulin bese bekuhlaba i-insulin. This is not a time to refuse the medication. It's time to accept this medication. Most of the times gestational diabetes, it only happens during the pregnancy. Yeah, ngesikhathi usubeletha it goes away. Yeah, especially if you're going to look after yourself. And these are the tips I want to give you. One, I've already mentioned, you eat healthy, you are mindful of the nutrients, but you are not doubling your food in size. You are not fasting. You cannot fast ngoba umzimba wako is using more energy than so you're going to have your 3 healthy meals. Don't forget, you are still prioritizing your fiber, your protein, your healthy fats. Carbohydrates, you go as moderate as you can, and you go for complex carbohydrates. Yeah, you take them because you will need more energy. Akufani lokuthi thina esizifastelayo sengazithwalanga. So at that time, but be very, very mindful. Ikakhulu nxa bekutshele bathi uyi-risk or diagnose with it, and ubakwazi njani, because most of the times awubi lama symptoms, you don't feel anything, because even ungaba le fatigue. Listen, after all you're pregnant, ungazisithethe angizwa ngidinwa. That's not a thing. Vele uzithwele sithini kumbe ungakhanya uphuma i-acne sulama pimples angaka. will just take you to ngama-hormones e-pregnancy. So kuqakathekile ukuthi bebe bekucheck-a now and again, especially ku-second trimester and third trimester. That's when abantu abaningi babanjwa ngumkhuhlane lo. So if they are not checking you, this is another alert. Make sure you are being checked on time. The earlier ibanjwa, the better. Ufake ku-treatment if there is need, or umoderate i-diet yakho the right way. You also exercise bomama. Akuthi ukuthi sengisithi hamba othwala insimbi ugobuza uwele phansi. Abanye bayathwala insimbi, you've seen them. But isikhathi esiningi laba nabantu ade bevele be very active before pregnancy. When taking that walk every day will go a long way in you regulating your sugars. Even bekufake kuma philisi uzincedise ungarelax uthi ahanti vele ngumaphilisi, zincedise ngoba your aim is nxa usuphuma uqeda ukubeletha ufuna ukuthi kuhle kuphuma unana kuphumele chukela ihambe. Unana isikhathi esiningi they do survive, in unfortunate cases kungam-affecta, yikho sifuna futhi ukuthi udle kuhle uyi-exercise to protect ubaby. Isikhathi esiningi ugcine phume ngumntwana ongusidudla kakhulu ngoba u-exposed to ichukela eliningi, placenta ilokhu iphusha i-glucose because you can't help it, there's too much glucose. Wena umntwana nakho umprotecta ngokudla right ukuthi angahlali elokhu ephakathi kwechukela. Isikhathi esiningi nxa la umntwana ebelethwa, the reason singafuni ebe too exposed to too much sugar, engaphume ekhanya ngusitupululule enguchubby baby engusidudla emuhle, but don't forget ube sechukeleni leliyana. Nxa ephuma ichukela leliyana lisekho uba exposed to or uba at risk of hypoglycemia, uthi ichukela lizaphonga ukwehla ka1 and kunana ongakana. Imagine how dangerous that is. So I hope you're getting the idea. It take home ukuthi talk for yourself, make sure you're being checked for that, especially nxa uzazi ukuthi you are at risk. 2, nxa kuyikuthi ulungiselela i-pregnancy uyakwazi ukuthi hayi lo nyaka lifuna ukwenza unana ubaby number 9 efamily, beautiful, but prepare for that pregnancy, prepare your body, exercise, start eating right, hydrating well, ulale kuhle, udle izinto eziyizo ulungiselela this. Nxa i-pregnancy sikhike ini siqalisile, you are so cautious, you are so ukudla kwakho, you should every time your 3 meals avoid snacking. You don't need snacking. Omama bethu ogogo bethu bazalo mama bethu kwakungekho konke lokhu. Thina i-generation yethu silomnyama wokuthi there's too much processed foods and there's too much food. There's just too many things. Amanye ama-hormones lama-hormones ngamehlo sesisithi ngama-hormones. Ama-hormones amathi afuna i-donut, athi afuna i-Fanta. Ngamehlo akho akubonayo. So stay away from those things. And if you are really going to snack, because listen, you're pregnant, sesingakuzwela mbijana, go for healthy whole foods. Run away from processed foods. Nxa ungasnacka lawe on an egg with some spinach. Nxa ungasnacka on a piece of chicken with some cabbage. Nxa ungasnacka on a hand full of peanuts, it's better. Look after yourself, look after that baby. Ungazigcina kuhle, ama-chances ukuthi lawe nxa ubaby sephumile yaphela i-diabetes leyana ayisoziphinde iphenduke. But if you don't look after yourself, ile high chance also yi-risk vele ka-type 2 diabetes later on. It can be after a year with that baby, it can be after 5 years. But now that you've had this, you now know what you need to look after yourself. Doing all the things we talk about, reverse insulin resistance, you won't. You won't. The only thing you may not be able to control ukuthi i-gestational diabetes ibuye vele ngoba kuza kuya ngokuthi i-placenta ama-hormones angikhona ahambe njani. But when you can help yourself to control ichukela throughout the pregnancy to protect you and your baby. I hope ukuzwisisile mbijana. Ungakhohlwa i-disclaimer. So work with your udokotela wakho, sebenza lo midwife wakho, buza imbuzo. Nxa ubona ngana ucheckwa kuhle, ask. Even unana bazamchecka after usubelethile, lawe uzokucheckwa for sometime maybe 6 weeks and maybe whatever months, ubucheckwe ukuthi bebele sure. So ungabona ungacheckwa, ask. That's the purpose of this video. Yeah? I hope uzwile. Ngiyabonga.